To get an affiliate link from Amazon, that's a very simple step. You'll need to join Amazon Associates program, which is Amazon's affiliate program. This video will give you a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, you need to visit the Amazon Associate homepage you can see on the screen. Now you have to sign up using your Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have any Amazon account. Follow the instruction to set up your profile. Enter the details they request like a website, blog, social media links, or relevant information about your niche or target audience. Now, once your affiliate account is approved, you can log into your Amazon Associates account and you'll see a dashboard with different options for generating affiliate links. Now use the product linking tab to search the bar to find the product you want to promote. You can search on specific items or browse categories to find products that fit your audience. After selecting a product, click on Get Link or Text to generate a link. You can customize the link or make it simple text link, image, or combined text or image link. Once you have the affiliate link, copy it and use it on your website, blog, or social media. It can be a YouTube channel or a blog. When someone clicks on this link, makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Ensure your affiliate links are placed in relevant content to attract potential buyers. Always use Amazon's affiliate guidelines and disclose that you will earn commission through these affiliate links. And I'll see you in the next one.